It was New Year's on Sodor, and all the engines had a day off. So everyone, what shall we do for the new year? I think we should keep it quiet and just have a nice little celebration.
Yeah, I agree with Edward.
I mean, it's not a bad idea, but I think we should have something bigger. I don't know about anything bigger per se. We aren't really supplied for anything bigger. There's no fireworks and a lot of us are still not here. Well, Edward, look at those military supplies back there. We can use them for fireworks. Bessie, that must be the stupidest idea I've ever heard from you. I've heard a lot dumber, so count yourself lucky.
Yeah, I do, Miss Cranky.
Salty is legit over there. Just look. He's right there.
Yeah, not that cranky, there's another one.
Isn't there like 5 or 6 crankies?
Yes, Bessie, but we are talking about tall crankies.
Oh. Wait, what are dumb crankies?
I meant bigger.
Oh. Well, it's sure good to have you, Edward, back, but what are we going to do? As I suggested, we are gonna have a small party. No fireworks, no nothing, because we don't have such things.
Yeah, so something like what the trucks are having.
Help me. My face is falling off, and these trucks, they're just laughing. You could say, but we should get a bigger area. But isn't this good enough? No, Percy, there's still quite a bit of us. You're gonna clean up this middle area. Just look at all this trash.
Yeah, but who have to clean up? Not me.
I would love to, but I'm too old for it. My old wheels barely are holding me.
Yeah, so that is me and Bessie.
Okay.
Yeah, come on, Bessie. Let's start cleaning.
Okay.
Yeah, let's start with that old piece of scrap over there.
Okay, but where should I put it?
Yeah, just throw it somewhere.
Okay, let me just throw it all. Done. Now, what do we do?
Yeah, we have to clean up the snow.
But we don't have snowplows.
Yeah, we have Trevor.
I wish Trevor gonna help us.
Yeah, just watch. It's that clear.
Okay.
Yeah, don't break the fourth wall.
The camera's shaking, come on. Okay, I'm in position.
Yeah, watch your plan, Bessie. Yeah, Trevor be Betty. There'll be children in that store. Children? Children! 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 Children!
Oh my. Oh, now there's snow on my line. Thomas! Oh, tender. Oh, thing. Why do you have a hand? Because.
Yeah, we be done.
Oh, really? We are really done. I didn't expect it to go by so soon.
Yeah.
What about these faces?
Yeah. Yeah, there we are.
Oh, great! Now we are done.
Good job, you two. Now I will go and try and find some decorations at my station. Alright, goodbye. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Alright, I'm gonna go. Goodbye.
Bye, Edward.
finally loaded with the decorations. Oh, hello, Daisy.
Hello, Edward.
Hello, Daisy. Do you want to help us with setting up a New Year's party?
Oh, no thank you, Edward. That will be bad for my swerves.
Oh, okay, Daisy. But you're always invited if you want to help.
No.
Okay then.
Hey, best be off. What the fool?
I'm here, everybody. Oh, I'm here. Oh, my face. Oh.
Edward, there you are. Oh, Edward, great. What did you get?
Oh, anything for that would fit this occasion.
Well, it's better than nothing, let's be honest. It's better than that guy I was thinking on. Yeah, you know what? Whatever. He- It's just I was thinking on a ball, you know how they burn a big wooden statue and all. No one would like to burn Toby, so I was thinking on that guy back there. But yeah, that's good. Whatever you got too.
Okay. Yeah, let's start inviting the guests.
Great, we are all here. There's someone missing. Oh, where's Toby?
I'm here. Sorry I was late. I was reading the news. Damn, this is a fresh decoration.
There it was, everybody. The grandfather clock just rang. It means it's the new year. We wish you all a happy New Year's. And, yeah. But I still think we are forgetting somebody. Alright. Hello? Is anybody gonna help me?